Welcome back, friends. In this video, we'll be having a quick comparison and understand how Power BI is better than Excel for data analysis. Now, there's no doubt that Excel is the next door tool for all our daily tasks, but when it comes to data analysis, Power BI is surely the frontrunner. Let's understand this with the help of some pointers. Power BI integrates with multiple cloud services. Now, Power BI was initially designed to work with Microsoft technologies like Excel files, SharePoint documents, and SQL databases. But now it is not limited to them. It will consolidate and collect data from all other sources because it is a cloud-based application. Salesforce, Google Analytics, MailChimp, SAP, Zendesk, QuickBooks, and even Facebook are among the top 60 tech solutions that Power BI currently connects to. You can better leverage insights by having access to a broader variety of data, and you can save a lot of operational time by transferring and exchanging data. Power BI combines the data into a centralized dashboard, which is one of the best features of Power BI. Now it's faster and easier to analyze data from different sources when you can see all of them in one dashboard. Power BI makes it simple to compare data, apply analytics, and map and visualize reports. And since data modeling is a core Power BI function, you don't need to model data in the native system before integrating them. Without the need for complicated manual exports and imports, collect all data directly from the cloud, on-premise, and hybrid systems. Custom content pack and Q&A feature. Now, a content pack is a collection of pre-built content that allows user to gain immediate insights from a source and view data through live dashboards and interactive reports. Businesses may also build their own custom content packs to merge data from on-premise and cloud systems and share them within their company. Now, instead of using a code, the Q&A function allows you to get answers by using common phrases and the natural language. Access, store, and analyze large amount of data without any issues. Power BI imports and stores data using powerful compression algorithms, allowing you to access, evaluate, and visualize large amount of data that Excel cannot open. You no longer need to break down huge databases to show more encompassing analysis. Even the most comprehensive reports and summaries can exist in one file and can be analyzed by drill downs. Spot data trends quickly and easily. With Power BI, analyzing patterns is a breeze. It only takes seconds to display huge quantity of data due to built-in time intelligence features. Data can be viewed using a variety of dimensions and attributes, including date and time. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.